Welcome to DelftStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the where winds meet connection error, failed to connect to update server, or cannot connect to server issue on PC. First, start with a full restart. Close the game and Steam completely. Restart your PC. After that, restart your router and modem. Unplug both devices from power, wait for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. If the error is still there, verify the game files. Open Steam and go to your library. Find where winds meet in the list. Right-click on it and select Properties. Click on Installed Files, then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now check all game files and re-download anything that is missing or broken. This process may take a few minutes. When it is done, restart Steam and try the game again. If you still cannot connect, change your DNS settings. Right-click on the Start button and open the Run box. Type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. Right-click your active internet connection and select Properties. Double-click Internet Protocol version 4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter 8.8.8.8 as the preferred DNS and 8.8.4.4 as the alternate DNS. Click OK and close all windows. Restart your PC one more time and launch the game again. These steps fix most connection and update server errors on the PC. Thanks for watching.